minor axis CD equal to 60 mm and angle theta equal to 60 degrees. That is the given data. Okay. Now with the 60 degrees angle, draw a horizontal line and one inclined line, the angle of 60 degrees. Then draw the equivalent of AB length from the C parallel to AB and draw another line equivalent to the major axis of AB 100 mm from the D. Now complete all the sides near as EFGH. Join EAG and it is O, the center point, COD and then FBH. Now the complete encircled parallelogram. Now it is formed parallelogram. Parallelogram is formed. In the previous case, rectangle formed. It is also rectangle but inclined at 60 degrees. As usual, previous procedure alago, idi kuda alage. Then half of the part it is AO, quarter part of the parallelogram, and then divide this AO into any number of equal parts. Say 4 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, left side limb of this parallelogram, divide this AE into the same number of equal parts, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Now join this 1 dash to the point C. Again join 2 dash to the point C, 3 dash to the point C, 4 dash to the point C. Extend this D until 1. Join 1 and D and extend it until 1 dash. You will get the first point P1. Next join 2 and D. 2 and D. And extend it up to 2 dash. You will get second point P2. Next join 3 and D and extend it up till 3 dash. You will get P3, fourth point. And then the last point, join 4 and extend it up till 4 dash. You will get P4. Okay? If you join from the A is A and P1, A2, P1, P2, P3, P4. Quarter part of the required ellipse is constructed. And repeat the same procedure. Join this C2 right side limb of BF by dividing equal number of parts, and OB also divide some equidistant equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 again, and 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Now join C2 1 dash and C2 2 dash, C2 3 dash, C2 4 dash, and extend and join this D2 1, and continue this line until 1 dash is intersected. Okay, you will get the another point P1 dash. Again join 2 and 2, D2 2, and extend it until 2 dash. You will get P2 dash, and join P3 and extend it until the third line 3 dash. You will get P3 dash. Now join the last point 4 and extend it until 4 dash. You will get P3 dash. Now join C2 B with the points P3, P4 and then P2, P1 and until B. You will get the remaining quarter part of the required ellipse. You continue the same procedure by joining C to 5 dash, and means divide the lower left side limb also equal distance of points. Again join this 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, and then 8 dash. Okay, this from D also you have to join 6 dash, 7 dash. You will get some more points. Then join remaining half part of the ellipse. And the same procedure. And again, each points also. Repeat the same procedure. So by locating all the points, you can join the required ellipses constructed. Required ellipses constructed. Now this is a procedure in parallelogram to draw the ellipse. I think all of you got it.